This video I will tell you that how to create stickers for your WhatsApp. Okay, so first of all you need an application. You will go into the Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone, and you will download this application, which is the sticker maker application. And after downloading it, you just need to open up this application here. And first of all you need to create a new sticker pack. Okay, so you will tap on this one, create a new sticker pack here, and give it a name. So let's suppose I will give it a name like Noman 2. Sticker author is Nomi, and tap on create and just open this up here. And now before adding stickers to your WhatsApp, you need to have at least 3 stickers. Okay, so I will just tap on this one, and I will just open up the gallery here and select the image. So I will just select this image here, and then you need to basically cut out the main object. Okay, so for this I will select smart select here, and it will automatically like cut out the car image here. Save sticker here, then again here open up the gallery here, and now I will open up this again, this one. This is the second image that I will use. I will open up the smart select option here, and then again save sticker here, open up this one, open gallery, and again I will select the image. Let's suppose I wanted to add this image, so smart select here, and then I will just tap on save sticker. And now we have created 3 stickers, so I will add to WhatsApp, and let me just add the sticker here. So it's actually adding these stickers to WhatsApp. Okay, so this is just the ad here, so we just have to, like, I guess this is the paid this is not the paid application, but this application like consists of ads, so I have to like remove the ads from here. I don't know how this will, just turn this ad off. Here we go. Okay, so would you like to add one to WhatsApp? Yes, add it. So this has been added to my WhatsApp here. So now we will open up WhatsApp and check. Okay, so here I have this chat here, and if I just tap on the messages and go into the stickers option here, so here you can see that I have this pack. So if I wanted to send the sticker here, I will just send these 2 stickers to my friend here. So that's how you can actually make a sticker here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.